Hi everyone! Look who's back! What's your name?
Sophie.
Sophie's back! How exciting! And what's happened to Colesy's Corner? What's happened? What's all this?
Halloween.
Halloween! It's Halloween! And what did we do on Halloween? Do we eat lots of lollies? And are we gonna make some, what are we making today?
Ghosts.
Ghosts! We're gonna make ghosts, everybody! So we're gonna teach you how to do them, aren't we? So please follow along with us if you'd like, and we'll teach you, won't we, Soph? Okay, so what colour paper is this?
Black.
Black paper. You're going to need some black paper. We're going to need cotton balls to make the ghost, okay? And you're also going to need some glue. Remember last time when the glue came out really quickly? That was so funny. Okay, and then we've made a face.
And I did it by myself.
You did it all by yourself. To save time, we cut out some eyes, didn't we? We cut out some eyes and a mouth, a smiley face, but you don't have a smiley mouth. What do you have? Oh, because what do ghosts do with their mouth? Oh, okay, you're going to be making that one, okay? So first we need to paste all the cotton. Look how many cotton balls we have. Shall we throw them up in the air, ready like this? Whee! Can you do it? Can you throw some? Go. Yay! Higher, higher. Yay! All right, this is going to be so much fun, everyone. So enjoy pasting your cotton. I'm just going to put heaps of glue around the ghost. Now, did we tell everyone that we actually traced the outline of the ghost first, just so we know when to paste the cotton balls, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. I'm going to start. Okay, now guess what you get for your amazing gluing? It wouldn't be Halloween if it wasn't for a treat. Trick or treat, trick or treat. You gonna have some? Okay, why don't we have some after we paste some more balls on? Let's do some and then we'll have a little break. What do you do for Halloween, Soph? Do you go trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
What do you dress up as?
Witches.
Oh, witch! That's cool! Try and paste this onto my face. Hey! Oh my gosh, what have I done? Okay, so I pasted one eye on. I'm about to paste the other eye on. Look at this! Do you like it? Lovely!
Face.
I forgot the mouth. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Silly.
Silly Cozy. Should I do the mouth now?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just putting a bit more glue on. And you just paste the mouth again, like the eyes, over the cotton balls. Voila! Hey, we should name our ghosts. What should we name our ghosts? Elizabeth! Alright, yours is Elizabeth and mine is Gary the ghost. So Elizabeth and Gary, what do you reckon? What good names. This one's scary. Alright, now I know the glue's drying. Oh, now you want your treat. Yes, this is going to be great. You deserve it. I will open it for you with my gluey hands. Did you see that? They went everywhere. Oh my goodness. Okay, show everyone Elizabeth. Ready? Come on, and I'll show everyone Elizabeth while you eat your treat. This is Elizabeth. And this is Gary. Wow! We hope you have enjoyed making ghosts with us. And we hope you have a lovely Halloween. What do you say? Alright, so wave to the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching Colesy's Corner. And you say thanks for watching.